In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for Shopify. Follow these steps to manually set up Google Ads conversion tracking on your Shopify store using the code snippets. Step 1 is to create a conversion action in Google Ads. Log into your Google Ads account, navigate to Tools and Settings, Conversions, and click New Conversion Action. Choose Website, enter your store URL, and click Scan. Select Add a Conversion Action manually and configure. Category, Purchase. Conversion name, Purchase. Value, use different values for each conversion. And then click Done. Save and continue. Step 2 is to add the Google tag to Shopify. Copy the tag code provided in Google Ads, and then in Shopify, go to Online Store and to the Themes. Click the three dot next to the active theme and select Edit Code. Open the theme.liquid file, find the head tag, and paste the Google tag right below it, and then click Save. Additionally, go to the Settings, which on the Checkouts tab in Shopify. Scroll to Order Status page, Additional Scripts, and paste the same Google tag code and then click Save. To the Step 3, add the Purchase Conversion Code. In Google Ads, locate the event snippet for purchases. Copy the snippet and open a text editor. Modify the code to make the conversation value dynamic. Visit the Shopify Help Center and find the dynamic conversion tracking code. Replace the fixed value 1.00 with a dynamic code snippet from Shopify. Ensure the Send to field contains your unique Google Ads conversion ID. Paste the modified conversion snippet into the order status page, additional scripts in Shopify, and then click Save and then Close. The Step 4 is to verify and monitor conversions. Wait a few hours for Google Ads to start tracking conversions. Check the Conversions tab in Google Ads for updates. By following these steps, you'll have an accurate purchase tracking in Google Ads without relying on third-party apps. Thank you for watching.